Number 5. The hoverbike S3 is a groundbreaking fusion of motorcycle thrill and drone technology, redefining personal air mobility with a design that looks like it has leapt straight out of a futuristic action film. Built with a lightweight yet extremely strong carbon fiber frame, this single-rider aerial vehicle uses multiple high-powered rotors to generate vertical lift, allowing it to take off and land vertically without the need for a runway. Its fully electric propulsion system delivers instant torque and remarkably smooth flight, producing significantly less noise and vibration compared to traditional helicopters. The S3 is engineered with advanced flight stabilization software, intelligent flight control systems, and automated hover capability, making it far more intuitive to operate than conventional aircraft. A sophisticated onboard computer constantly monitors altitude, speed, and orientation to ensure balanced and controlled movement, while responsive joystick controls give the rider precise command over direction and elevation. Number 4. The Easy Teethbrush is a smartly engineered oral care innovation designed to transform the way people brush their teeth by combining efficiency, comfort, and modern technology into one streamlined device. Unlike traditional toothbrushes that require careful maneuvering and time-consuming technique, the Easy Teethbrush is crafted to clean multiple surfaces of the teeth simultaneously, ensuring a more thorough and even brushing experience in significantly less time. Its uniquely contoured brush head is shaped to fit naturally around the dental arch, allowing it to reach hard-to-clean areas with minimal effort while maintaining gentle contact with gums and enamel. Powered by high-frequency, sonic, or vibrating technology, it effectively loosens plaque, removes buildup, and supports healthier gums without the aggressive pressure that often leads to irritation. The ergonomic handle is designed for a comfortable grip, making it suitable for users of all ages, including children and individuals with limited hand mobility. Many versions incorporate rechargeable batteries, water-resistant construction, and smart timing functions that encourage proper brushing duration for optimal oral hygiene. Number 3. The Stator Ride is a revolutionary personal transportation device that merges the thrill of a high-speed ride with cutting-edge electric technology, offering an entirely new way to navigate urban streets or open roads. Designed with a sleek, futuristic aesthetic, it features a compact yet robust frame that houses a powerful electric motor capable of delivering smooth acceleration and impressive top speeds while maintaining energy efficiency. Its innovative wheel and stabilization system ensures a seamless, balanced ride, even over uneven terrain, while responsive steering and intuitive controls give the rider precise command at all times. The Stator Ride incorporates advanced battery technology that allows for extended travel distances on a single charge, making it practical for daily commuting as well as recreational adventures. Safety is prioritized through features such as regenerative braking, shock-absorbing suspension, and anti-slip surfaces, ensuring that every ride is controlled and secure. Number 2. Varum Pet Fitness is an innovative smart device designed to keep pets healthy, active, and engaged while providing pet owners with convenient monitoring and control over their furry friends' activity. This all-in-one solution combines an interactive fitness tracker, automated feeder, and intelligent play system, allowing pets to stay physically active even when their owners are away. Equipped with sensors and AI-powered algorithms, Varum tracks a pet's movements, activity levels, and eating habits, offering personalized recommendations to maintain optimal health and weight. Its interactive features, including automated toys and treat dispensing mechanisms, encourage exercise and mental stimulation, helping to reduce boredom and destructive behaviors. The system is compatible with a smartphone app, giving owners real-time insights, progress reports, and the ability to schedule feeding or play sessions remotely, ensuring pets remain engaged and cared for at all times. Number 1. The Glass Rinser is a sleek and practical kitchen innovation designed to make rinsing cups, glasses, and small containers faster, cleaner, and more efficient than traditional methods. Engineered to fit seamlessly into most sinks or countertops, this device uses powerful, pressurized water jets that spray in all directions, effectively removing leftover liquids, coffee grounds, tea leaves, or residue in seconds without the need for scrubbing. Its compact design makes it ideal for both home and professional kitchens. while the simple push-down mechanism allows users to rinse any glass or mug with a single motion, saving time and reducing water waste. Built from durable, high-quality materials, the glass rinser is easy to clean and maintain, and its water flow is optimized to handle delicate glassware safely without causing chips or cracks. Many models also feature adjustable settings for different glass sizes and heights, making it versatile for a wide range of containers.